Can I show you a t-shirt niche that's quietly making people over $50,000 a month on Etsy just by selling AI-generated birthday shirts for kids? And can I show you how to use free and paid tools like ChatGPT, Kittl, and Printify to create your own versions that stand out from the competition and convert into sales, all in under 10 minutes? That's the challenge I'm setting for myself today. I'm going to research, design, and launch a product in one of Etsy's top selling categories. So let's jump in. Check out this Etsy shop. It's doing over $50,000 a month just from selling kids' birthday t-shirts. Most of the shirts are text-based, sometimes with really simple, playful graphics. Using the shop analyzer tool on Everbee, I can see that this shop is estimated to be making over $80,000 a month in revenue. And this isn't a fluke. These kinds of shops consistently rank at the top of Etsy's listings, especially in the kids' birthday niche. I even asked ChatGPT, what are the top selling niches on Etsy? And it named the baby and kids niche as one of the top niches to sell in. Why? Because every day there are thousands of parents looking for shirts for their kids' birthdays to celebrate important, meaningful milestones, and that cycle never ends. Be sure to stick around until the end because I'm sharing powerful tips not just to tap into high demand, but design products that actually convert. You'll learn how to boost your conversion rates, raise your average order value, and increase the perceived value of your products. I'll even show you how to make these items scalable so you can earn more from every single sale. Type in something like first birthday shirt or birthday tee for toddler and boom, pages of bestsellers, indicating that this niche is definitely in demand right now. Stick around until the end. I'm giving you a free challenge to help you launch real Etsy listings in this top-selling Etsy niche using proven strategies. You'll leave this video with a step-by-step game plan you can actually use. Next, I'm going to ask ChatGPT for a list of the most popular first birthday themes. First birthdays are a big deal. They're a major milestone and consistently in high demand. But there's another reason I'm focusing on this niche. If I can win a customer for their child's first birthday, there's a good chance they'll come back for second birthdays, sibling birthdays, and beyond. Later in the video, I'll show you how to turn that one-time buyer into a loyal repeat customer. After ChatGPT has researched the most popular themes for first birthdays, I'm going to head to eRank to validate demand. I'm searching for high-searched, low-competition keywords that are going to help increase the chances of my listing being found, even if I'm a brand new seller. And according to eRank, the phrase suggested by ChatGPT, "Berry first birthday," is high searched with low competition. I think this is a real opportunity to stand out if we add just a little twist to what's already selling well on the market. Going onto Etsy, I can see that one market gap in this niche is the vintage retro aesthetic, specifically with retro characters. Another market gap I'm noticing is that I'm not really seeing anyone combine the coquette bow aesthetic with this niche either, so that can also be another aesthetic to keep in mind. Next, let's head over to Kittl and start designing. I'm going to use Kittl's AI to generate something simple, cute, and on trend, because simple definitely sells on Etsy. If you want to follow along and try Kittl for free, you can use the link in the description. Once you sign into Kittl, you're going to create a new project. I'm creating this for a Printify t-shirt design, so I'm going to select the print on demand section, then select the Printify size canvas, then create. Then on the left panel, I'm going to select the image generator, then I'm going to copy in my prompt. It's long, so I'm going to place it in the description if you want to grab it there. I'm going to make sure that I've selected ideogram. You can also select different clip art styles, like t-shirt and watercolor, and play around with how that changes your designs. I also have a free AI prompt starter guide available in the description or comment AI guide below. Then select Generate Image. Then once you're happy with your design, you can upscale the image and remove the background. To increase the conversion rate of your listing, I recommend adding some kind of personalized element to the design, like a name. I'm going to add a headline for the name and stretch it to make it larger. For this design, I want to use a font that is retro like the design. I love this groovy flower font that I've uploaded from Creative Fabrica. I'll have the link to the font in the description, and you can download it for free using my Creative Fabrica link for 10 free downloads if you're a new user. Next, I'm going to select the color of my text in the right toolbar and use the dropper tool to find a color in the design that I like. I think that this green color looks really good with the overall design. Next, I'm going to highlight the text, right-click, and select Outline Text. I can add a shadow for a little depth and can go through and change the colors of individual letters. Once I'm happy with my design, I can download it as a PNG file. I do select to remove the background and optimize quality before downloading as a PNG file. Personalization strategies like adding a name to a product can drastically increase conversion rates. However, personalized orders can be very time-consuming once you start receiving several orders a day. So I do recommend investigating personalization automation tools like Hello Custom or Anywhere POD once you start getting consistent sales. Next, I'm going to duplicate my template and edit it to create a design for the back of the shirt. Adding a back print increases perceived value and conversion rates. I like to vary the back print slightly from the front print. I'm going to add text to the canvas and edit it to say "Berry Sweet Girl," but other phrases like "Berry Sweet Princess" could work too. Then I'm going to use the color dropper tool in the right toolbar under color to grab the red color from the design. Next, I'm going to use the fading color cut tool under text decoration to create a retro fading color effect on the letters. You can play around with the weight and distance of the fade to customize the effect. Next, I'm also going to use the AI generator again to create a cute strawberry blossom graphic to add to the design. Once I'm happy with the overall design, I'm ready to download this as a transparent PNG file and download it to my device. Now I'm ready to upload my design to Printify. For those of you who are new here, Printify is a print-on-demand platform that prints and ships custom-designed products for you, leaving you more time to scale your business or simply spend more time with your family. Once you're signed into Printify, navigate to Baby's Clothing in the Kids Clothing section and select the Infant Fine Jersey Tee, which is a bestseller, and then select Start Designing. Now it's time to upload your designs. For the front, I'm adding the personalized name design. I'll use the toggles to resize it and position it in the upper right corner to create that cute pocket style placement. Then I'll switch to the back of the shirt and upload the Berry Sweet Girl design. Once both designs are in place, I'll preview how they look on the front and back to make sure everything's aligned and visually balanced. Next, I'm going to choose up to 5 shirt colors that complement the design best. I like using white heather, granite heather, natural, and pink. Those colors really help the artwork pop. I try to stick to 5 options max because offering too many color choices can actually backfire. When customers feel overwhelmed or experience decision paralysis, they're more likely to abandon their cart. So keep it simple and curated for the best results. Once you're done, go ahead and save your product. I'm not going to worry about the mockups here because I'll be using a tool called Simply Listed next to automatically generate high quality, high converting mockups, saving time and making the listing look more professional. Next, I'll update the title and description. To save time for this tutorial, I'm just going to use the AI-generated title and description. However, I would recommend doing some research on Etsy, eRank, or even ChatGPT to improve and optimize the SEO generated. And make sure personalization is enabled. Just a heads up, enabling personalization changes the listing to manual, which lets me customize orders before they're sent to the customer. After that, I'll choose the correct shipping profile, adjust the pricing, and then publish to my Etsy shop. So once my listing is saved, I'm ready to head over to Simply Listed, a print-on-demand mockup automation tool that saves you hours each week and can create mockups with just a click of a button. If you want to follow along, I have a link in the description where you can try Simply Listed for free. I've already created the mockup template that I want to use for the listing by uploading my mockups to Simply Listed. So all I need to do now is find the infant shirt template, click on the dots icon at the bottom of the template, then select Attach Artwork. Then I select the listing that I just created in Printify and select Create Mockup. Once your mockups are ready, navigate to the approval queue where you can view your mockups. It even generates a slideshow video of all of your mockups. If you're happy with the placement of the designs, select Publish and the mockups and video will automatically publish to your listing on Etsy. Another smart way to boost your conversion rate and increase your average order value in this niche is to create a coordinating family set. Think beyond just the birthday shirt, design matching shirts that work together, like one very proud dad, mom, grandma, grandpa, and even siblings. These kinds of group listings encourage customers to order multiple shirts at once, which greatly increases your order profits. Ready to turn what you learned into sales? Here's your challenge. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm top birthday shirt themes for children. I recommend choosing niches that are evergreen, or we'll see a peak in searches in 2 to 3 months from now. For example, while berry-themed birthdays are popular, they see peak searches approaching summer and during summer. Step 2. Use eRank and Everbee to validate those ideas by looking for high-search, low-competition keywords. Step 3, choose at least 3 niches from your research. Step 4, create at least 5 to 10 designs or variations per niche, using the strategies from this video like adding personalization, offering front and back prints, and matching shirts for family sets. These simple upgrades can help you stand out and boost conversions in competitive markets. So if you're in, drop a comment that says Birthday Challenge Accepted and share which theme you're starting with. I'll be checking in on your progress. If you want to turn one-time buyers into loyal repeat customers, one of the smartest things you can do is start building an email list. This allows you to keep in touch with your customers and market to them year after year, especially for recurring occasions like birthdays. For example, if someone buys a Berry First birthday shirt, you can follow up next year with 2 sweet birthday products, or other matching family gifts. To make this process easy and completely automated while staying within Etsy's guidelines, I use Everbee Email. It seamlessly collects emails from your Etsy customers after they're encouraged to join your email list and sends out automated email campaigns for those who have joined, converting that one-time purchase into a loyal repeat customer. If you want help setting this up, I've created a full tutorial that walks you through exactly how to do it step by step. You'll find that linked for you below in the description. If you found this content helpful and enjoyed this challenge, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below that says birthday boss, so I know you made it all the way to the end. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more content just like this. This was such a blast. I'll see you in the next challenge.